Hi everyone, it's Kimberly with Getaway Today. Thanks so much for finding us here on YouTube. Today I am giving you a tour of the Legoland Hotel in Ninjago fully themed room. We just checked in, my kids haven't seen it yet, they're gonna lose their minds, but before they do, I wanted to give you a little sneak peek of what you can expect. So, behind me is the kids area, and this includes the bunk bed, so there's a top, bottom, and a trundle. So it sleeps 3 kids, all of the rooms here sleep 3 kids. And then on this side, the kids have their very own TV and a little Lego play area. And again, fully themed, so that means Ninjago everything. So you've got the green ninja back behind us. My kids are gonna lose their minds. So all of the kids areas are like this. All of the rooms are nearly identical. The difference is theming. There are 5 different themes here at the Legoland Hotel. And then there's a difference between fully themed and regular themed rooms. And the only difference with those are the Lego creations. So I'm going to show you. This is our little treasure box. And on top of it, there's this dragon egg. So one of the things that's fun staying at the Legoland Hotel is everybody gets a little treasure hunt when you check in. And then you get numbers. They give you like little clues throughout the hotel. Like go count the number of Lego palm trees. And then you take those numbers. There are 4 numbers. You enter your code and then you get a little prize every night that you're staying. So if you're staying more than one night, you get a different prize every single night. It's the same code, but that's yours to keep. So really fun. So after you go into the kids area, you'll come down the hall, and this is kind of your open closet space. Your ironing board, lots of good room there. And then this is such a fun treat. So back behind me, this is where you normally would just have your coffee maker, but not at the Legoland Hotel. You've got coffee for the adults, and you also have hot cocoa for the kids, and you have apple juice for each kid and water bottle for each kid. And this is the ice pail. I mean, how cute is that? It's so fun. Okay, so then across from this area is the bathroom, and I wanted to give you a quick look at that because the bathrooms are fully themed too. So you've got the ninja on the wall, you've got all of that, and then I don't know if you can tell from looking at this, but the toilet has a kid's seat on it. Talk about family friendly. And then underneath, there's also a step stool. I don't know if you can see that. But they have thought of everything for families. This is probably one of the very most family friendly hotels I have ever stayed in. Okay, now we're in the adult area. And this is, again, fully themed Ninjago room. So look, there's a dragon coming out of his egg. We've got some... I'm sure that has something to do with the story. A big black bird back in the corner. We've just been watching the Ninjago movie. And then look at the headboard. Again, fully themed. If they didn't have bunk beds, my kids would be fighting me over this bed. So, some other fun things about staying at the Legoland Hotel that I just wanted to talk to you about really quickly. Anytime you stay at the Legoland Hotel, you can get into Legoland early. And to do that, you get this little button. And instead of having a pin, it just pops on and off your clothes, so it makes it really easy and you're not going to poke your kids with it, which is nice. I'm trying to do it left-handed. That might not be the best idea. We're not going to do that. And then also when you check in, you get a Legoland Hotel guide. So there's nightly entertainment, normally 2 or 3 shows a night, which is amazing. And then they also have a dance every single night for families from 6 to 9. You can just go party with disco lights. It's a party the entire time you're staying at the Legoland Hotel. I highly recommend it. So that kind of gives you a good idea. Again, the difference of the rooms are either fully themed or regular themed. They're both great choices, and then there are 5 different themes that you can choose from. And the second you walk down the hall, you know what theme you're getting into. So there are 5 themes here, and then there's also a brand new castle hotel that's being built that opens on April 27th, 2018. And by the time this video posts, if we haven't already gotten our rates for that hotel, we will have them very, very soon. So be sure to check them out. Of course, you can always find our hotels at getawaytoday.com. We will link you below to both the rooms here at the Legoland Hotel and at the Castle Hotel. And of course, you can get your Legoland tickets with Getaway Today as well. So thank you so much for watching us here on YouTube today. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 855-GETAWAY or visit getawaytoday.com. Thanks so much for watching.